Nabaan nila yung unforced error nila. Baka nag-iba yung kwento nitong game nila against Perpetual.
This is the third set, and we saw a lot of offense for Perpetual, but we also have to commend the floor defense of Lozano.
Sobra.
Diba?
Oo, oh. And if I were the spiker, ilang beses na akong na-depensa doon sa same spot kung saan dumidepensa itong si Lozano, eh hindi na ako papayag na doon ko papapuntahin sa kanya kasi parang useless yung power na binibigay mo dahil tinatayuan niya lang.
That's a perfect example, that rally. You know, it looked like a clean hit for JRU. Lozano was there to save it with one arm, and it led to this attack.
Kahit nakatayo or moving itong si Lozano, kayang-kaya niyang depensa.
Yeah.
Diba?
That time, na-pancake pa niya, pero lumabas lang. And yan yung medyo nagiging, in the past few years at least, kasi ang pinanggalingan nila, si Marian Andal, si Tracy Andal, na nanalo ring best libero dito sa NCAA. Secondary libero, itong si Lozano.
And to think na ang sinundan mo, isa sa mga best libero. Pero minsan niniwala ko, Martin, na yung generation mo, hindi ka nag-champion, napakagaling mo, ikaw yung best. And compared dito sa generation na to, nag-champion, so minsan may dyan may key kung bakit nangyayari yan. And gaya na sinasabi ko kanina, kinukwento ko sa'yo, may mga players na ang lakas maglaro individually. Pero hindi siya nag-work as a team kapag sinasama mo siya dun sa teammates niya.
Dito, sa pinapakita ng Perpetual, everything works in the system. Diba? Siya umipon. So, at least in the first two games, had to take a back seat. Ito, si Diana, kahit si Lozano yung bumantay, still went to her.
Totoo. And nagkaroon lang din ng gap dun sa mga blockers ng Perpetual dahil doon sa may bandang gitna niya pinapunta. Kasi kung cross-court yun, I'm sure nandun si Lozano again para pantayan yung mga malalakas na palo nito si Deyala.
Oh, overpass, over-reception.
Wow.
Kring Batara enters the game and scores right away.
That's the point for San
Ito yung one of the veteran players of JRU. Nakita naman natin yung adjustment niya. Mababa yung set, mataas tumalon, mataas yung height niya. Pero nakascore pa rin siya.
Team captain ng JRU, si Kring Batara. Supposedly, I think it was Pat Del Pilar, who was also one of the middle blockers last year. Went through surgery not so long ago in that, I think, right ankle or right foot. Kaya na-miss niya yung season. But being one of the veterans, kailangan ng leadership dito ni Kring as Perpetual scores.
Oo. Ipinasok itong si Palacio.
Si Palacio. That's another tall player.
Actually, makikita natin yung mga players ng Perpetual, especially middle attackers nila, halos lahat matatangkad. Diba?
Yeah. Parang talaga kasama sa audition yan or sa tryout. Na yun na yung sinisilip. Anong posisyon mo? Gitna? Hindi. Ito. Minimum.
Pag matangkad ka, dito ka sa middle.
And Palacio, last year, as we see this service ace by Cyril Almeñana.
Good serve.
Palacio also showed flashes of brilliance last year.
Good ball.
Tumawid. Batara denied. Nakabuelo si Deyala. Ariola with a 1-2. Popped up.
Good set.
They go to the 5. Yonko goes long.
No check ball para sa kukunan ng JRU. 3 straight points or 4 straight points para sa Perpetual. Kanina lamang ng dalawang puntos itong JRU, but this time, baliktad na.
Shadow ulit malakas.
So, outside. So, ayan, may challenge ngayon dito si Coach. Black touch.
Let's see if there was a check.
Meron check ball. Umami na itong kupunan ng Perpetual.
Magbe-break pa tayo eh.
Hindi, baka naman kasi sabi nila, baka sakali lang makalusot, di ba? Pwede rin naman.
Ano na, honesty system na.
And alam mo, good thing para dito sa ganitong klaseng tournament na, alam mo yun, honest, kasi
Yeah.
wala namang mawawala, di ba? Kung magsisinungaling ka, makikita rin naman sa replay and nakaka-build siya ng magandang relationship kahit sa mga kalaban mong teams.
That's right. Ooh! That is wide for Palacio. Maganda yung intention kasi may opening dun sa zone 2.
Cross court. Yeah.
Cross court. Pero
Zone
napasobra.
Yeah.
Still at the serving
6-1.
deck, Angelica
And
Yonko.
unti-unti nang pinapasok ni Coach Sandy, yung mga players niya. Siyempre, to gain experience.
Importante to.
Oo. Para in case na may mga pressured game na nahihirapan itong mga first
Through the block, Shine
six.
point.
Pero sila ipapasok na malalim na bench.
Importante rin sa format natin as we see Omipon here going through the block, even challenging Batara
7 serving 6.
dahil ang semifinals po natin,
Service went out.
best of 3.
Best of 3.
And we're
Finals,
now tied
best
at
of 3.
7.
So, if you're going on a deep run, di ba, medyo marami-rami yung pagdadaanan.
Totoo. Pero sa
Now
mga
on the
ganitong
serving
klaseng
deck,
tournament,
it's the team
kailangan yung
captain of the Lady
focus,
Bombers,
yung body condition,
Crisanta Batara.
yung diet, napaka-crucial niyan.
Ariola. Ooh.
Javelin,
Menor
Minor.
brings us to our first technical timeout.
It's the first
Pagbalik natin,
technical
we'll hear
timeout of the
from
third
Miss Flo
set.
Delagua.
Running score, 8 for the Perpetual Lady Altas, 7 for JRU.
Nagbabalik po ang NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament, and right now, you are witnessing the Perpetual Lady Altas who are up by 2 sets against the JRU Lady Bombers. But despite this disadvantage, buo pa rin daw ang kumpiyansa ng JRU coaches na makakabawi sila, specifically Assistant Coach Larry Shoko. He also happens to be the head coach of the men's and boys team of JRU. So before set 2 ended, nabanggit sa akin ni Coach Larry na nawawala yung tapang ng Lady Bombers, samantalang tinatalo pa nga daw nitong mga women's players ang kanyang mga lalaking players. And so it is the same girl power that the coaches are demanding from the players here in set 3. Martin and John Vic.
It's the same team. Salamat, Flo Delagua. It's the same team that won earlier in 5 sets versus Perpetual. By the way, so he is rather expecting more from the women's team.
And I'm sure, ibang-iba ang galawan nitong JRU. Well, yun lang yung observation ko compared dun sa last year. Di ba?
Malayo.
Maybe, siguro individually, mas lamang na lamang itong yung dating players ng JRU. But this time around, itong JRU team that we are watching right now ay grabe yung chemistry.
That's a good prep, going up against, well, they usually do that. Pero dun ka kasi mas lumiliksi. Diba? Tsaka mas tumitibay, lalo yung floor defense. Oh, Menor!
Javelin Minor hammers it
Imagine,
down.
yun yung quality ng hits na nakukuha nila from Menor, Almeñana, and Omipon.
Yup. Siyempre itong si
Ariola
Ariola,
serving for the Lady Altas.
feeding the middle attackers and bigla siya magko-combination play. Talagang surprisingly magugulat tong JRU.
So many weapons on this Perpetual side, but Ariola commits the service error. So now, it's Navarra, JRU setter,
Good serve.
starting it up. Enrico!
Quick attack.
Towering
Enrico.
above the net.
Dito natin masabi, height matters. Di ba? Kasi pag matangkad ka, mauuna ka sa taas. Tapos si center mo, iaabot na lang sa kamay mo.
Listed 6 foot.
Grabe.
Itong si, or 6 flat, itong si Charis Enrico. Tallest player on the court. Almeñana went for the cross court. Sobra lang.
Substitution.
Okay ako dito sa ginagawa ng JRU. Serve lang sila, depensa, stable lang. Ang Perpetual kasi naghahabol din ng points. So, mas mataas ngayon yung pinapakawalang mga unforced error nitong Perpetual. Kaya mas easier para sa JRU na makakuha ng puntos.
That's right. Dungka
Yun lang.
commits the service error.
2-1.
Nabaki lang ng konti.
Totoo yun, ha? Pag pinag-uusapan mo talaga, may energy na jinx. Good serve that time. They bring it to Yonko. Down the line.
Down the line, yeah.
And on the line. Sige, ball in, ball out.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's a challenge on the call for ball in,
Challenge dito
ball
ni
out.
Coach Sandy. So, because they're confident, almost the entire 6 on the court for Perpetual. Sabay-sabay yung gesture nila na outside.
Yeah. We'll see. Kasi ako hindi ko nakita dito sa part na to.
Manipis talaga. Yung linesman natin dito na nasa side.
Siya yung nakakita talaga ng clear vision ng hit.
That's Lozano and Reyes, Pauline Reyes on your screens. Excellent job for Lozano today. She has been a difference maker. We also have to commend Karabot.
Yep.
Yung kumukuha ng first ball dito sa JRU. Diba?
Inside yan.
Inside?
Inside.
Teka,
Oh.
wala pa.
Let's wait. Kasi
Outside!
Upon review, the ball
Outside.
is outside.
Wow.
Challenge of the Perpetual Lady Altas is successful. They have
Just
2 more
by a
remaining
hairline.
challenges in this set.
Okay.
medyo mahirap yun, no? Tight na tight yung
Point and serve to the Lady Altas.
bola dun sa
Enrico
linya.
to serve.
Well, sa mga ganong pagkakataon, move on, move forward agad.
Yeah.
One stop agad.
Almeñana rises. Dug up. Yonko
Nice.
puts it down.
Nice hit para kay
Side of the Lady Altas.
Yonko. Alam mo, ito si Yonko, mataas ang percentage niya kapag duling sa atake.
Yeah.
Hindi man kasi powerful ng mga palo ni Deyala, but yung percentage sa pagkuha ng puntos.
That's right. Almeñana catching the line.
+1. Perpetual Lady
And in
Altas.
fairness, Martin, advantage din yung may height ka na, may talon ka ba, yung reach mo pa sa pagpalo ng bola mataas.
And what a follow-up after that 27-point outburst.
Grabe.
16 points today for Almeñana. Drop ball. This is saved. And a chance for Perpetual. Ariola. Omipon had to adjust. Karabot was there. Yonko tries. Saved by Almeñana. Still alive, but
Wow.
off the
Off
block
the
for
block. Shot,
Omipon.
Omipon.
She knows where to put power.
Timeout. Set is
Sa
up University.
kanyang palo.
That's true. Decision making ni Omipon.
Nakakapasok talaga eh. So, kailangan nakapasok ng onte yung kamay nyo. Okay? Kakaintindihan. Tapos, abang dun, atras. Sagain natin sa depensa, girls. Okay? Offense, kailangan natin. Hindi pwede.
Actually, there are two types of spiker kasi. May spiker na mahaba pumalo and may spiker na baon pumalo. So dahil dalawa ang pagkakaiba, kumbaga magkaiba sila ng way ng pagpalo, kailangan iba rin yung way ng pag-block mo. So sa mga blockers kasi, kapag baon ng palo, basta matapatan mo, babalik kusa yung bola.
Yan.
Pero doon sa mga ganong klaseng palo na
14
medyo
to 11.
mahaba, kailangan ipasok mo talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi kung tatapatan mo lang, ang tendency niyan, tatalsik lang na malayo.
Yeah. Oh, Nicole Deyala
Through the hand.
finding a spot. So,
Deyala.
again, that's something JRU has taken care of. their response after the timeout.
Ibang klase itong si Diana. Palaban siya no? Palaban.
Yeah. Ariola to Palacio.
Geraldine Palacio.
Yep.
It's a quick for Palacio. And this is such a fluid quick that they just executed.
Kanina pang hindi nila mabantayan yung quick play nitong Perpetual.
Pero meron galing or meron
Substitution for San
itong si
Jose
Batara.
University.
Lalong isip.
Number 16 out. Number 14, Rachel
Substitution naman
Along-Isip
para
in.
kay Batara.
Number 3 out. Number 19,
Babalik din
Julia
si
Di Matawaran re-enters the
Julia
game.
Di Matawaran. So lalong isip enters to serve.
Now on the serving deck, Rachel Along-Isip.
Lozano, Almeñana. This is Menor.
Good ball.
Good reaction coming from Navarra. Here's the setup for Jamelin Menor. Nagpapakawala na
It's the second
ang
technical
mga
timeout of the
kombinasyon ng
third set.
Perpetual.
Running
And they
score,
take
16
the
for the
3-point lead
Perpetual.
heading into this quick break. Nagbabalik ang NCAA Season 101 on Heart of Asia. And look at this, Lozano, Almeñana, game face. Right before this play transpired, Lozano, perfect pass to Ariola to set up
Geraldine Palacio serving for the Lady
Jamelin
Altas.
Menor. 16-13. Deyala, went out.
Yep.
Ball went out.
Ang ganda sana ng intention niya, but outside lang.
Just a little long. Pero tama yung angulo niya dun. 17 to
It's now
13.
17 serving 13.
Palacio. Back to Deyala. Dug up by Ariola. Ad-lib off speed from Menor. Deyala with a swing. Still saved by the Lady Altas. Another chance for JRU. Back to Nicole. Oh, covered by Umipon. Excellent floor defense from Perpetual. And the ball is brought across. Fifi Ariola. Siya na yung kumuha ng bola doon.
The exchange.
But in fairness sa floor defense nitong Perpetual, hindi nila hinahayaan
Timeout.
yung mga
Rizal
palo nitong
University.
JRU.
Multiple times in that
Kailangan
rally.
yung ikot natin gumagana sa depensa. Okay, hindi kayo sumusugod lagi. Stand your ground, tingnan nyo, tapos tsaka kayo pumwesto. Receive tayo. Okay? Nga, isa-isa tayo.
All right, 18-13. Instructions from Coach Mia Chuseco regarding their floor defense. Easier said than done against these potent attackers of Perpetual. Karabot brings it to Navarra. Another good first ball. Here's the pass to Menor. Dug up still by Karabot. Back row hit will fall in for
From the
Ramos.
pipes,
Yeah.
Zarina Ramos.
Pinakamahirap maging kakampi yung net. So,
May buenas.
buenas.
Ayan, no? Ramos from the back
On
row
the serving deck for the Lady Bombers,
using the
Nicole
net to their
Diana.
advantage kahit unintentionally.
Oo.
Quick again, Enrico.
That's a net
Pag
touch
siya
to
yung
the side of
kumukuha.
San Rizal University.
Nahihirapan
Last
ng
one,
JRU
Perpetual
mapigilan
Altas.
itong mga quick attack ni Charisse Enrico. The blockers were a little
19,
late to get
14.
established. Ramos.
Wow.
Pinalusot.
Through the block, Serena Ramos.
15-19. JRU looking for a final kick para kumapit dito sa third set. Or else Perpetual will take home their second win. Ariola.
Oops.
Miscom lang.
Yeah.
That's a miscue on the side of the Perpetual Lady Altas.
Pero okay na rin yun. Kasi lamang naman sila. So, mahirap naman yung i-sacrifice mo pa na ma-injured, di ba? Kasi usually ganun ang nangyayari pag na-injured yung mga athletes.
Still at the
Miscommunication sa
serving deck
combination
for the
play.
Lady Bombers, it's Kyla Navarra.
Nahuli yung talon niya, no?
Oo.
Uy, Menor. Ariola getting out of the way. Ramos scores.
Down
JRU
the line,
knocking on the
Serena
door.
Ramos.
2 puntos na lang, Martin.
Yeah. Kaya nang
Timeout
pa-timeout
for
dito si
Perpetual
Coach
Lady
Santi
Altas.
Rieta. Niña Ramos putting it down.
Ay, nararatel game yan eh. Ha? Pasa lang tayo, pasa. Ito ka, Jem? Opo. Ito, Chicha? Ha? O, simple, kaliwa. Quick.
Hey, one stop. One stop tayo, ha? Marco!
Oh,
Paano lang, konting reminders lang from Coach Sandy na huwag kayo maratel.
Ah.
Third set na to, lamang kayo. Kailangan dahan-dahanin nyo lang para
It's now 17,
mas
serving
maging
19.
maganda yung end nitong third set.
Let's see. Down to a 2-point lead.
Wow.
Enrico this time covered by Di Matawaran. JRU will take this. They send it to Ramos. Popped up by Omipon. Menor. Ooh, somebody touched the net. That was Di Matawaran.
As a net touch on the side of Bucerizal University.
That's gonna be costly for JRU. Crucial.
Yep.
Lalo dun. Nasa kanila, nasa side nila yung bola. May chances
Diba?
silang pumuntos.
Chance ball na yun para sa kanila. So,
Javelin
ako,
Menor,
medyo
serving.
nanghinayang sa pagkakataon na yun. But, sabagay, hindi pa naman tapos, Martin.
Ito, JRU. Yonko. Lozano, easy up. Almeñana just knew what to
Through
do
the
with
block,
it.
Sai
Off the
Almeñana.
block for Cyril Almeñana. 17 points.
The Perpetual Lady Altas going on.
What a good
21
follow-up for
points.
Almeñana. After, again, a 27-point outburst. Drop ball. Still alive. Ramos was able to recover as well. And Yonko, you mentioned,
Angelica Yonko,
not the most
through the block.
powerful, pero effective yung mga atake.
But the most efficient player,
Substitution.
diba? Effective.
For JRU, number 14 out and number
Interesting
16.
sub here for
Presenta
Coach
Batara
Mia.
in.
Napanood ko na to, Martin. 18-21.
Okay.
Julia
So, tingnan natin
Dimatawara
kung
to serve.
magiging parehas ba o magbabago ang kwento. This third set.
Ganito rin nangyari nung first two natin.
Too short for
Shai
Shai
Omipon
Omipon.
committing a rare attack error today. May matawaran ang magsisimula dito.
It's
So
now 19.
that's a reason why
serving
they
21.
reinserted Kring Batara to still have a front line despite Timatawaran serving. Ao Lozano with a late decision.
Chance ball.
High looping. Chance ball right there. Kring! Through the two
Presenta
blockers.
Batara.
And the lead is down
Through
to
the
one.
block.
Much needed point para sa JRU. Grabe. Iba ang veteranong manlalaro.
20, serving 21.
Lively ang pagpasok muli dito ni Kring Batara. Di matawanan. Serving well again. Ariola, combination. 4
Yep.
touches against Perpetual.
That's
Tabladayo,
4 hits for the
21
Perpetual
all.
Lady Altas.
4-0 run.
Ladies and gentlemen,
For the
there's a
Lady
challenge
Bombers.
on the call
Hold
for
on.
block touch
They'll
by the
challenge
Lady
this.
Altas.
Yep, block touch. Once again, para dito sa kupunan ng Perpetual, Coach Sandy.
Ito yung mga malay mo.
Malay mo. Oo.
May touch. But from our perspective,
There was no,
parang ano,
Yeah.
not over. Ano?
not over. Kasi kung titingnan natin, medyo malayo yung mga blockers dun sa bola. Hindi naman malayo, but hindi, parang by chance na hindi talaga eh.
Silipin natin to. Malaki to.
Oo.
Kasi kung ma-overturn, instead of a tie, dalawang abante ng perpetual. They'll break the JRU run.
Nagpipigil pa to mga player. Gusto nilang mag-dance sana eh, di ba? Gusto nilang sabayan yung kanilang mga cheerer.
Kasi game na game eh. Ito, yung pep squad ng JRU. Coach Sandy waiting for the decision. They're looking for their second straight win after an emphatic victory against Benilde. These perpetual players, ano na rin sila? Kalmado muna.
Oo, kasi pag hindi successful yung challenge, wala. Ito na.
Was there a touch? There was. Woo! Woo! That bounce off already.
Yeah.
No touch. So 21 all.
Yep. Isang challenge na lang ang meron si Coach Sandy. And alam mo, ang daming volleyball tournaments na grabe yung nangyari sa national team sa men's volleyball. Yung challenge na yun, napaka-importante. Nakakapagpabago ng game talaga. Kaso,
Di matawaran with a service error.
well, minsan yung mga coaches kahit alam nilang not over talaga.
Yun din yung side
Part
purpose ng challenge.
Part yun.
Yeah. To freeze the server.
Yeah,
It's that or a timeout.
Totoo.
Diba?
Yeah. Oo.
Captain.
Okay.
Pagka ganun, make sure tayo yung palitan ng libero. Tsaka nung delay warning na lang natin. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Sige.
So nahuli lang yung palitan?
Oo. So magkakaroon sila ng delay warning.
Okay, tuloy tayo.
It's a yellow card for
Cha
JRU.
Enrico,
Delay warning.
who has been serving well in this match, and her serves are sharp.
Totoo.
Diba? Ito.
So kino-confirm lang ni Coach Sandy kung ano yung naging situation. Yeah.
22-21.
Cha Enrico to serve.
Faulty pickup by Di Matawaran. Here's a chance for Perpetual. Omipon. Deflected. Ramos. Kept alive by the Lady Altas. And
Wow.
corner pocket for Shai Omipon.
Grabe.
It's now
Much needed point para sa Perpetual. Alam mo, nakakatawa si Omipon dahil from time to time nagbabasa na siya ng defense nitong JRU.
Kring! Masyadong malakas. May gigil
Attack went
dun
out.
sa atake ni Batara. And it is now match point
Ladies and gentlemen, there's a
for
challenge
Perpetual.
on
But
the
hold
call
on,
for
Coach
block
Mia
touch by JRU.
Yep.
will burn a challenge.
So tingnan natin kung mayroon bang block touch doon sa palo. Oo.
It's another big call coming up here.
And dito natin magagamit yung mga challenge natin.
Yan.
Martin, napaka-importante at napaka-crucial na mga points.
Imagine mo dito, at this stretch, pumahabol kayo, meron ka bang bubunuting challenge?
Oo, diba? May pag-asa, sabi nga nila. Imagine kung makukuha ng Perpetual to, magiging last point na lang sila.
Yeah.
Match point. And kung mag-run naman para sa JRU, it's gonna be 22-23. Laki bagay yun. Isang puntos lang ang habulin.
We'll see. Perpetual on your screens. Looking very relaxed on the sidelines. Eto, yung ating replay. Was there a block touch on that Kring Batara attack? Here it is. None.
Ayan na.
Oop.
Ay, meron konti. Ay, ba't wala? Oo.
No
Upon
touch.
review, there is no block touch. The challenge of JRU is unsuccessful.
So,
Yeah, one more
unsuccessful
remaining
challenge for
in this set.
JRU. Match point para sa
Yeah.
Perpetual.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Perpetual Lady Altas are now at match point. Serving for the
Enrico
next shot.
serving.
Enrico.
They set up Ramos here. And it is saved. Ariola to Almeñana off speed. Karabot. Back to Ramos from the other side. Ariola to Omipon, who finishes the match. The Lady Altas take home their second win
All players,
in
please
season
proceed to your
101.
respective end lines
They
for
sweep the
same
JRU
school
Lady
win.
Bombers. And they got their final kick from one of their veterans.
Yep.
Shine Omipon.
What a great teamwork para sa kupunan ng Perpetual.
Taan natin ang school hymn ng University of Perpetual Health System Delta. Cyril Almeñana is our best player of the match. 18 points.
16 from the attacks and 2 aces. And grabe, no? Ibang klase yung pinakita ng bata na to dito sa game na ito. And most especially, the whole team, ibang klase yung pinakita nila.
45 points in 2 games for Almeñana in our competition. Straight sets win for Perpetual. Okay nga, pagbalik po natin, kausapin natin ang ating winning head coach.